Hello, it's Jitethefarmer.
What is good, YouTube? Jitethefarmer here, and for today's video, I'm going to be using milk as water for my plants. So let's see if it dies again. Come on, mate, let's go.
The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how it is.
One eternity later.
Keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, then go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you want to be because of him or her or anybody.
Okay, so water is the only thing that can work. So use only water. Thank you. And please subscribe.